So.
Where is it?
Is this already on?
Yeah.
Cinnamon challenge.
We'll show Michael afterwards, he'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Right, you ready? Get yourself a glass of water first.
You're gonna want a glass of
Otherwise
water.
you're gonna die.
There's a glass of water there, man. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Go to the table.
What the fuck is the deal with this one?
Burns your mouth.
Well, unless you want to watch the Cinnamon Challenge first.
Oh wait, I gave your spoon to Michael, sorry.
Back inside.
Oh shit. I know why, I can smell it like you can really smell where it would burn. Like, that smells like those hot gobstoppers.
Ugh.
Oh.
What's the challenge?
That you have to see who can
swallow
keep
the cinnamon.
But like, it's whoever doesn't half or open their mouth first wins.
I fucking hate cinnamon.
So, first person to open their mouth or coughs loses.
And what about water? Can you drink that?
Well, then you have to open your mouth and you lose. Are you ready? And go. You do the hardcore. How it goes my teeth. Are you serious? The more like saliva you put on it, the hotter it gets. Come on, Joan, you can do it. It's not as bad as they say it is.
She's gonna cry!
Michael's gonna cry.
No, Joan, look!
You open your mouth, you open your mouth a little. That's insane. You bitches are nuts. It burned the fun off me. I would enjoy this. I think we should up the ante. I think we should have a ladle tonight. Michael, are you actually swallowing it? Jodie, are you swallowing it? It's hot in the back of my throat.
Yeah, you're gonna have to upload their video. They're definitely tougher.
Yeah, they're way tougher. It's Joe crying. Does it stop burning after a while? I've got a lump of cinnamon somewhere in my throat.
I fucking win, bitches!
Timmy got it out. I mean,
Oh,
open
dude,
your
that
mouth.
was fucking sore.
Is it gone?
Oh, fuck my life.
But like, is your face not on fire?
Yeah, it really fucking is.
It's just, oh yeah, sure, Michael's used to having vintage.